Low float POAI stock is up 36.17% in this pre-market session of today, the 1st of May 2024. Yesterday, the 30th of April, it indicated that it will be collaborating with FluGen to bring its intranasal flu vaccine to market. And what else? We know also that around almost 10 months ago, the stock was trading at around $5 or thereabout, and then we were forecasting that, or rather projecting that it was going to trade towards $5.96, and it did. It did actually reach such. It surpassed 5.96, reached 6.67, but didn't reach the other targets, other projections we had, which were 6.91 and 9.61. 6.91, he may have actually printed that in intraday, but never closed at those sort of levels. After that time, that was the 3rd of July 2023. But what has actually come to pass is downward projections for 4.72, 4.14, 3.55, 2.53. All of those have all passed. All of those have all passed. Yes, the stock has printed such prices, and got a 52-week low or as of Thursday, the 18th of April at $1.12, and it is from there that it began to rebound as of Friday, the 19th of April, and reached got a rejection just slightly below its 21-day moving average at around $1.6. So these it's on this daily chart of it, or rather on this daily chart for the stock. The short and intermediate moving averages are steeply sloping downwards. As such, they are providing a stiff resistance for the stock. It managed to break through the resistance from its 10-day moving average, but it wasn't able to do so for its 21-day moving average. And as things stand right now, it's trading at 1.91. I want to believe that's what the price is. 1.91, yes. And 1.91 is that has let me see, 1.91. Yeah, let's see where 1.91 is. Okay, so it has actually now broken through that resistance from its 21-day moving average. The next target will be its 40-day moving average. 40-day moving average. Yeah, that will be the next target. And what we can see here that there are a couple of projections indicating that the stock will continue to show strength up till Thursday the 7th or Tuesday the 7th of May, and then cool off by Wednesday the 8th of May to around that is its 10-day moving average to around a price of 2.05. And if that is the case, if that turns out to be true, if 2.26 for its 10-day moving average turns out to be true, then we will be looking at a price of around something close to $2.76. But what we can equally see is that there's an intersection of let's say it's what looks like an intersection of this 10-day moving average and possibly its 40-day moving average. As such, we might expect, if you plot this line from here all the way towards this, if you plot this line, if you plot the line from its 10-day moving average from where it's right around where it is right now to $2.26, you can equally find that the 40-day moving average may still continue to descend, may still continue to descend. As such, that intersection may provide a wedge where the stock may trade in. So, in as much as it is projected that it can get towards 2.76, it may be a sort of price that it might 2.76 may be a sort of price that might be printed in intraday in a very short time, in the coming weeks. But what is actually much more certain is that it's going to trade within this much more certain, but that absolutely no certainty in that anyway. So just all of these are just forecasts and predictions. So yes, what is quite likely is that it's going to trade within this grid, this Fibonacci grid of 1.5 all the way towards 2.14, and maybe slightly above, slightly above 2.39 or thereabout. So, but yes, indeed, the likelihood of it getting to 2.76 is also very much there. Even if it's for just even if it's just an intraday print. Yeah. So let's have a look at its weekly chart and see what we have there, whether we have anything fascinating there as well. Not really. Well, there are a couple of really ambitious projections here. We have $17, 12.55. I really don't want to start expanding this chart, because it's just going to now affect what I have, what the other charts. But there's nothing to we shouldn't shy away from that. Let's go ahead and enlarge this weekly chart and see what we have here. Yeah, you can see what we have. This is what we have. This is the weekly chart for POAI. Let's see. Yeah, the stock is now trading below all of its Fibonacci projections. 2.48 is one projection. So yeah, 2.48. It's a sort of price we are probably talking about. 2.48. It's something that can happen. It's something that can happen. 2.48. So it's good that I didn't shy away from expanding this chart. So as things stand right now, it's at 1.83, losing some steam, I think. So the projection for its 10-week moving average is we have a 2.35 for the 6th of May. We have 2.65 for the 6th of May. We have 2.68 for 13th of May. We have 3.06 for 20th of May, and all the way towards 3. Let's see. We have 3.11 for 28th of Tuesday, 28th of May, and then for the 3rd of June we have 3.27. Yeah, so I think this looks quite realistic, even in this, quite realistic. 2.4 but the chance that it's going to rally further in this session, it may not be very high. So if this 10-day moving average begins to extend as well, 10-week moving average, I'm really not going to expect that we're going to see the other moving averages change as well in a very short time. So if anything, like I said earlier on, the chance that it's going to, we can see now it's fortunately has broadened out this daily chart, so you can see that. So we have this this is the 10-day moving average moving, plotting upwards. We have it plotting upwards. So this intersection from, it's going to intersect with the 40-day moving average. So we expect it to trade within this sort of range, and it did 2.48 or 2.38 we saw on the weekly chart. Is a sort of price that we can get right around here as well. It's just slightly above here, 2.cc, slightly above here. That's where we're talking about. So yeah, just have a look and see what you make of POAI, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.